Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. After much waiting and great patience from Levi and I, these two beautiful creatures have arrived, just in perfect time for me to go on holiday, and for Levi to test his own strength and might. Delayed them being delivered. He still had them for a few days. Both of these remain virginal. So this beautiful, gorgeous filly here on my right is Levi's new guitar, although it feels like there's nothing in the box.
Yeah.
Which I know because, as Levi said, when I got mine it was much the same. And this big, curvy sweetheart here, watch paint, sorry.
Watch Ursula.
Is well, you can see in a minute.
Let's find out.
Let's find out indeed.
Cool.
So, big thanks to Perry and the team for getting the guitars out to us. Pardon me. Look like a total crazy nutter sitting here with a knife. As if I look like a tweaker as is.
Yep.
For context, Levi's been very, very busy working in his garage, and I have spent 2 days travelling from Cyprus to Birmingham to drive back home, and I've not been to bed yet back for 2 hours. So, if anything seems completely mental or nonsensical, it's because both of us are pretty tired. But it's still an exciting moment for both of us. Even the case is getting me excited. Levi.
What could be inside?
Surprise, it's nothing! Oh, does that very much. Are we ready?
I bumped into your brother in the caddy, and
Oh, really?
I was going to drop your guitar off to him.
I even said to Kieran I could if you wanted. Like I said to you could ultimate, but you were both so beautiful and kind that you thought, nah, I'll let the big man get his moment. Are we ready? Oh! It's like, you remember the first time you unclasped a bra?
Yeah.
You get so good at it you can do it with one hand. I still can. You ready? Oh! Oh, and your presents there.
Oh, we've got some prezzies.
So this is the cleaning kit, the care kit. You've got the best cleaning, speed wax, and it's spotless polish.
And you've got a hat. Look at that. Put the hat on. Put the hat on. Before people see the body. Oh, there's 2 hats. Well, I've got bad news for you, Perry. No one's ever made a hat that fits my head.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge
I'm
failed.
so glad I got another hat because my last one I wore it so much that I sweated through it. And it's off coloured for the bottom end of it. So, yes.
It's on my head.
Look at this, man. Oh my goodness. Oh. Tell them I've got pipes and rock, man. That's good. Just as well, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Look at that headstock, man. Oh.
Alright, pick it up, pick it up!
Go on, I need to get a collection first.
Oh, you don't need to play it.
Yes, I do. Even just to see if it's in tune. Oh. That's going really, really well balanced as well. Oh yes. Really not too bad considering. Look at that, contours in this guitar. Beautiful, man.
See that neck joint?
Clean as a whistle, man. Clean as a whistle. Beautiful. And anyone who's watching, please leave an F in the comments for Brian. Brian dropped his V and took a big chip out of it recently.
Oh.
And he looked heartbroken, so big F to you, Brian. Sorry, bro. Oh my goodness.
Alright, my turn.
Oh, wait, let's see what else is in the case. There might be something else. You never know. Oh my goodness!
Straps and t-shirts!
So Perry was kind enough to throw us in some goodies and I got us the cleaning kits. So, let's see. T-shirts on that. We done not bad, eh? Not too bad at all.
Let's do it. And proof that this wasn't open, I didn't tape it back up because it's stapled shut.
Mine was also the same, my man. Obviously, we had decided to restaple it.
It's obviously a lie. I just went out and bought a staple gun.
Well, you done well. You convinced me. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Because you know what? I'd be excited if I was getting what you've got. That's for sure.
They've sent me a violin.
Yay!
That's small, isn't it?
It's funny that. I wonder.
Let's see if I got any case candy like you.
Case candies for both of us, you numb nuts.
There's a CD.
Nice. Green greens. Sweet.
Ah, you didn't get a CD.
No, I didn't. You're right. I thought we were friends, Perry and Beto. I thought you were going to give us all the goodies. Oh, wait a minute. Step back.
This is my one of a kind. There isn't one of these, is there?
No, there is not. Well, there is only one, you mean?
Well, yeah, okay. There is one of these.
Only one.
There isn't another one.
Oh.
There we go.
Wow,
It's just so unbelievably lightweight. You can't
I remember having that. It's not an anxiety, but it's kind of like a. Is it there? Like it might not be in the
It
case.
just doesn't weigh anything. I can't believe how lightweight it is.
It might end up flying away if you keep doing that.
I know.
Caught in a gust.
The first thing you think when you hold this is the neck heavier than the body? I just cannot get over how lightweight the Goliath is. Yeah.
It suits you so much, big man. Suits you so much.
Get some down there.
That's it. That flame's beautiful, especially there. Just catching the light. Just keep moving. Oh, baby. I hate to admit it, but I'm incredibly jealous. Welcome to the Ormsby family. Levi.
Plain Jane from the back. No one needs to see the backside.
Nah. Still gorgeous.
It's all about that booty.
All about that bass, no treble.
Over that. I like it because you can have it like that and it's in tune.
Yeah. That's one thing about the Goliath, they just stay in tune forever.
Or my preferred method of sitting with them like that.
Also incredibly comfortable.
Yep, happy with that. They're happy with that.
Do you think we should maybe plug them in and make a better racket?
Let's see what they sound like.